Hey guys, welcome back. And if you're new, just stopping in, my name is Shannon, and I am glad you're here. And I hope that you decide to stick around and hang out with us. So, I am going to make Mike a Boston cream pie. He's been asking for one for quite some time. So, I got me some yellow cake mix, and I'm just going to follow the instructions on how to make the cake and get that going, and then I will be back when we make the filling.
It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep, 'cause I'm not tired. I'm thinking about the days we...
Alright, I'm going to get everything together to start the filling that's going to go in between the cake layers. And I just Googled this recipe, and I had made one before, and the middle didn't turn out lumpy like this one did, so I'm not real crazy about that, but it was good because it's almost all gone now. But it just called for a package of vanilla pudding and a cup of heavy whipping cream, and then you mix that together, and then you incorporate in your whipped topping and kind of like fold that in. But mine was like extremely lumpy, so the next time I would just make the pudding like it calls for on the directions, and then fold in the whipped topping, because I believe that's how I did it last time. But yeah.
It's cold outside, and I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you. Oh, I miss you. while sipping your coffee. I know there's a world outside, but right now it's you and me. Just you and me, baby. Roll out of bed. I love when you're hazy. Rewatching Friends for the millionth time. Well, I know there's a world outside, but right now it's you and me. Just you and me, baby. Yeah, I did my time, the ups and downs, but now life's been treating me kindly. Because of you, my life's not blue anymore. 'Cause you are my baby. Don't go to work, we'll stay here forever. We'll dance around the kitchen, making breakfast together. I know there's a world outside, but right now it's you and me. Just you and me, baby. Yeah, I did my time, the ups and downs, but now life's been treating me kindly. Because of you, my life's not blue anymore. 'Cause you are my baby. Love how you sing along to your favorite song. How you dance like nobody's watching. Wouldn't change a thing. This is all I need. Can do anything 'cause you are my baby. Yeah, I did my time, the ups and downs, but now life's been treating me kindly. Because of you, my life's not blue anymore. 'Cause you are my baby.
Now we're gonna chop up this bar of chocolate and melt it. And it just said chop a whole bar of baker's chocolate. And then you're gonna wanna heat up a quarter of a cup of heavy whipping cream. It said just let it bubble on the outside. I'm not sure how that works, but mine didn't bubble on the outside. It bubbled on the outside, the middle, and everything else. But then it still didn't seem like enough to melt the chocolate. So you'll see me sit the bowl up on a rack above the burner to finish melting it.
Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light?
And this is how it turned out. It must have been really good because Mike's about ate all of it. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and if you did, give me a like and leave a comment and all that good stuff. I hope to see you in the next one. Stay blessed. Bye.